Good morning everyone. Today we are the students of Woodward Public School and we will be talking about the significance of hardness of water.
Let me explain you about what is hardness of water. So hardness is actually the property of water which prevents the formation of lather, and lather is formed when we add soap into the water, which is soapy texture, and it can also cause bubbles into the water. Hence these hardness is formed, it mainly depends on the formation of cations and anions. Actually the cations involved in this are magnesium, iron, manganese, while the anions which are involved in this are biocarbonates, carbonates, sulfides. And if the hardness is formed with the help of biocarbonates, then it is temporary hardness and can be easily removed by just washing it away. Hence the permanent hardness is formed with the help of sulfides and chlorides.
So the natural sources of these include the limestones, which are dissolved into the percolating rainwater, and other industrial sources include runoffs from industries of inorganic chemicals. And this shows no adverse effects on health, but there are some evidence that show that it plays a role in heart diseases. But it is often unwanted because it prevents the formation of lather, as Bhaiya told you, and it also forms scales in boilers and other heat exchange equipment. It also prevents us from washing, bathing and cooking by using water.
Now we are going further with the demonstration, and here we are using ammonium buffer, the Erichrome black tea powder, while EDTA solution.
We are also going to be using a 1 ml syringe and 2 cylindrical test tubes. So let's start. So now we are going to transfer 5 ml of sample water into a test tube. So here are 5 ml of sample water. Now we will be adding 2 drops of ammonium buffer into it.
And ammonium buffer will raise the pH value to 10.
Now we will also be using Erichrome black tea powder for that should be enough. Now we will be taking 1 ml of EDTA solution without any air bubbles.
This is wine red color, and if we are going to add the EDTA solution, the color can transform into blue.
You can see the color changes.
Here you can clearly see that the color changes from wine red to blue, actually dark blue. And the amount of EDTA solution which is being consumed will calculate the hardness of the water.
So we consumed 1 ml of water, and now we can say that the total hardness of this water is 400 micrograms per liter. So now we have calculated the calcium carbonate content in this to be 400 milligrams per liter, and thus by the standards of BSI we know that the normal drinking water contains 300 to 600 milligram per liter of hardness. So thus we can say that this is this level of hardness is normal for this water. Thank you.